Since 1996, the Ohio Access to Justice Foundation has honored leaders who give freely of their time and talent to serve the legal needs of those who need it most. The Presidential Award for Pro Bono Service recognizes individuals, law firms, and organizations that have made outstanding efforts to improve access to justice in Ohio. These honorees have changed lives by providing a legal voice for Ohio's most vulnerable populations. Please join us in recognizing our next esteemed honoree.
Robin is a thoughtful and caring person who runs in overdrive the whole time. Her intuition is good, her energy level is high, her dedication is complete, and she does not quit.
She started pro bono clinics. She developed a dental clinic. She developed a credit union. She helped develop homeless shelter in her county.
Robin has a talent for grant writing.
She was instrumental in us keeping our domestic violence funding. She would apply for the grants, she oversaw the grants, and she helped us perform the grants.
It's called Eve Incorporated. She was instrumental in its development, its relocation, and she continues to do that today.
One of the biggest things she did, I think, is she helped acceptance of legal aid in our community. She was wonderful at walking that walk, standing up for our clients' rights, but also working with the courts and helping them understand what our clients are facing.
She has that talent, and she's willing to share it with the rest of us.
Well, Robin, I'm glad to be a part of this recognition of your many contributions to the profession and our communities. I hope that nothing I say you don't already know. When I talked about equal justice, that's what you brought to our program and helped us focus on, that it's more than just going into court, it's working on our communities to provide and meet the needs of those without. And thank you.
Robin, you've earned this award. Congratulations from myself and from your colleagues in Washington County. We're very happy for you and really proud.
Oh my goodness, to be a recipient of such an award, I mean, it's wonderful, it's pretty gratifying, it's not something that you seek. I had no idea that I was even nominated, but it's always nice when people recognize the good work that people do, and of course I always feel like that's sort of my mission, is to do good work, and even though I'm retired, using my skills is something that I think is a lifelong project for me. I feel like I'm really privileged to have had the opportunity to become a lawyer, and therefore, you know, my responsibility of being a lawyer is also caring about your community and using your skills to affect your community. There's just too many people to thank. There's so many wonderful people in our whole communities, throughout our communities, that are willing to participate and be helpful. And so I am just feeling privileged that I was in a position where I could help them connect with me or them or whoever else it might be. And so I think our community, because we couldn't do these things without that community.